Are you trying to install the Kohler 596 VS Simplice and not sure what to do? This video should help you out. Welcome to ShoultIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Hello folks, in today's ShoultIT DIY, we're installing the Kohler 596 VS Simplice single handle pull down kitchen faucet. Let's see how that goes. These are the components when you open up the box. Use the deck plate to cover the extra holes from 3-hole installation, but here we use the single rubber gasket. Put the metal washer and the mounting bracket onto the main shaft from under the deck. Tighten the bracket by hands until snug. Then use a screwdriver to tighten the screws evenly. Push the adapter on the main water line to connect. Put the weight on the sprayer hose, then connect the hose to the other end of the adapter. Use Teflon tape when necessary. And connect the hot and cold supply lines and tighten with a wrench. Finish up by running water and checking for leaks. And you're all done. And that's how we install the Kohler 596 VS Simplice Kitchen Faucet. Click like if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing and donating to support the team. Check the descriptions below for more info and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thanks for watching ShoultIT, and we'll see you in the next one.